Hello and welcome to WPAnchorBay. In this video, we will take a look at our free plugin CartBay. This is an abandoned cart recovery extension for WooCommerce. CartBay helps you to recover lost revenue by automatically tracking abandoned carts and sending targeted emails to the customers who did not complete their purchase. So before we explore CartBay, let's understand why abandoned carts are a major issue for every online store. Let's say someone finds your store and they browse your products. They even like a product. They pick a product and add it to the cart. They proceed to the checkout page and they start filling out the checkout form. And then for some reason, they're gone. So this is not just a cold visitor. That is the warmest lead you will get all day. And it just walked out the door. And this is a major issue. It is proven by the research. As per Baymert Institute, 7 out of 10 carts are abandoned at checkout. And there are some key reasons why shoppers left from checkout. One of the key reasons is that many online sites actually force their users to create an account to complete their purchase. And it is highly recommended that you allow your customers to complete their purchase without creating an account. But this becomes an issue. How do you track their activity in your site? And this is why CartBay actually helps you out. It automatically tracks about every sessions, every visitors visit your site as a guest. And the moment they went to checkout page and they type their email, it starts tracking that session. If the checkout is completed, then it's a success. But in case customers leaves from the checkout page, then CartBay mark that session as abandoned. And after a predefined time, it starts sending targeted email to that customer with a unique restore link. If customers click in that link, it recovers their whole cart with exactly the items they added before. And it's allow them to complete their purchase once again. And while you have access to those customers, you can offer them coupons, or you can just remind them. Sometimes a simple reminder is enough for a client to complete their purchase. So now let's see how you can integrate CartBay into your WooCommerce store. As you know, CartBay built on top of WooCommerce. So it requires that WooCommerce are already installed in your site, and of course you have it. And CartBay also requires an SMTP service installed in your system, and it should be functioning because it takes help of SMTP service to sending email to your customers. You can install any service you like, including Fluent SMTP, WP Mail SMTP, Zoho Mail, or anything you prefer. Just ensure that your system is ready to sending emails. Once you have WooCommerce and an SMTP service installed, go to the Add plugin and search for CartBay. And you will find it here. Just install now and then activate it. Once CartBay is activated, you click on the Manage or just hover over WooCommerce and you will find CartBay option here. Click on it. And for the first time, you will get a setup wizard. Click Next. And here you have to make some key decisions. First, consent tags. So CartBay actually respects the customer's privacy. They allow the customers whether to sign up for email or not. So if your local laws allow you to pre-check the consent box, then mark it as checked. And then decide an abandonment timeout. So this is the time actually CartBay waits before marking a session as abandoned. And then you define recovery email timeline. For example, here we have set 45 minutes for the first email. So once a session is marked as abandoned, CartBay waits 45 minutes before sending the first recovery email. And then it sends the second recovery email after a day. And after 3 days, it sends the third recovery email. So once you are okay with this configuration, click Next. And here you actually test whether your SMTP service is functioning or not. To confirm that it is functioning, you can send a test email to your any email you prefer. So yes, our SMTP service is functioning. So click Next. And that's it. You are ready to launch. Make sure this is enabled. So finish setup. So that's it. Our CartBay is already integrated to our WooCommerce store. Now, if someone visits your store and as before, they like a product, add it to the cart and go to the checkout and they just enter their email here and that's it. CartBay will capture this session and remember it. From here, if they leave, then this session is recorded. If you refresh your CartBay dashboard, you will see that this session will appear here. You will see the customer's email and the status of the session. It is captured. After our configured time, which was 30 minutes, this status will be updated to abandoned. And after 45 minutes, it will send the first targeted email to that customer. you can change this configuration from the CartBay dashboard settings. For example, if you go to the capture page, from here, you can update capture related configurations. Make sure enable capture is always checked. Otherwise, CartBay won't capture any sessions. You can also update other configurations from here. And then if you move to recovery sequence, then you can update email recovery sequence timeline from here. You can also decide whether to add an offer coupon to the email or not. We will see details about adding offers in another video. Before wrapping up, let's see another important thing. If you go to the template and if you click edit in WooCommerce, then you will see the email that CartBay sends to your customer. If you want to customize this email, you can do so by modifying these fields. So that's it for this video. See you in another video. Thank you for choosing CartBay. We are continuously improving CartBay to give you a better experience. Please let us know if you have any query or opinion. See you soon.